I titled my book Intellectual Privilege as a contrast with intellectual property, which is a term people often apply to copyright. But I think it's a misnomer. I think we can better understand copyright not as a form of property, but as a form of government-granted privilege. Copyrights are different from property for a number of reasons. First of all, copyrights exist only thanks to a federal statute. Other types of property exist in a state of nature and at common law. And copyrights also are limited in a number of ways that property is not. For example, copyrights expire after a certain number of years. Also, copyright holders have to put up with fair use. It's as if you have to put up with people walking across your property. So copyrights really don't qualify as property in any kind of traditional sense. There are a number of problems with copyright today. For example, the way the statute is written now, almost every one of us, every day, is violating it. And that's not a minor concern, because in theory, every time you violate a copyright, you could be liable for $150,000 in damages. There's just no way to make public policy where everyone is breaking the law all the time. So what can we do to fix the present system? Well, the book talks about a number of ideas, but one that I like in particular is the founder's copyright. What we've done with the book, in fact, is we've released it under the same terms as the 1790 Copyright Act, which of course was passed by the founders. And that means the copyright expires after 28 years, and in other ways is much more limited than our current copyright regime. So we think we can improve on copyright by going back to the way the founders did it.